Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace Honda Accord wiper blades. First, gently lift the wiper arm away from your windshield until it locks into an upright position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and potentially damaging the glass. Next, carefully examine the wiper blade assembly to find the small release tab or button. Press this tab firmly to disengage the old blade from the arm. Once the tab is pressed, you can slide the old wiper blade down and off the J-hook or pin on the wiper arm. It should come off with minimal effort. Take a moment to observe how the old blade was attached. This will help you when installing the new one. Be sure to dispose of your old blades properly, perhaps by recycling them if possible. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click. This sound confirms that the blade is securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to double-check that it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. With the new blade installed, carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto your windshield. Do this slowly to avoid any sudden impact. Finally, turn on your car and activate the wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their performance to ensure they move smoothly and clear the windshield effectively, leaving no streaks behind. Enjoy your clear view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.